Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and as you've seen, I've started some of my super simple, easy green chili mac and cheese. Of course, you can make this. You don't have to put the green chilies in it. It's fantastic. It's simple. You don't have to boil your noodles. You just put your noodles, your cheese, your salt, pepper, or any kind of seasonings you want, and milk. We did a collaboration with the Duderino at the Dude's Kitchen and Grill called Slackin' Cheese, and Brad and myself entered this mac and cheese, but we used heavy cream. You don't have to use heavy cream. You can just use milk. Anyway, so Joey from Sureshot Sids sent me an email and asked me if I wanted to try his rubs and seasonings. I'm like, of course I do, of course. Why not? Why wouldn't I, right? So he sent me a whole pack of them. Here, check these out right here. Okay, so we're gonna take a closer look for you. He sent me the original gunpowder seasoning, 2 of those, honey barbecue, roasted coffee, honey bacon, original barbecue, lime pepper, lemon pepper, and chipotle pepper. Check that out. I will definitely be leaving a link below if you're interested in any of these seasonings. Pretty slick, huh? Well, this original gunpowder, hence the name gunpowder pork chops. I'm gonna put on these pork chops. We'll do that in a second. And I gotta tell you, I already tried some of this on some ribs that you'll see a video with the gunpowder, the original gunpowder. You open this stuff up. When you open it, take a smell. Oh, take a taste. This stuff smells amazing, and it actually tastes pretty darn amazing. I've used the gunpowder. I used the honey barbecue. Excellent. This almost tastes like barbecue potato chips if you taste this seasoning. And then I used some of the roasted coffee, and this smells outstanding too, on a chuck roast. So I've already been using this stuff before I even told you I got it. So Joey, thank you so much. And I've also used so far the chipotle pepper seasoning. I used this on some chicken thighs and wings. Great stuff. It is a little spicy, so if you don't like it hot, just go light. If you like it real hot, go heavy. All right? So let's get inside. We'll get the pork chops seasoned up with the gunpowder. We'll come back out. We'll get it on the Pit Boss 1100 and get it going. These pork chops are getting Sureshot Sids original gunpowder seasoning to make our gunpowder pork chops. Just get it seasoned on both sides, as much or as little as you want, and that's all you got to do. All right, it's been 1 hour in. Look at that. That is looking really good. Just give this a quick mix. Gonna move this to this other side. And we're gonna get these pork chops on. All right, we're gonna let these roll for about, I don't know, shall we check them in 10 to 15 minutes? We'll be back. All right, 15 in. Gives a little flip. Give it another 15. Mac and cheese looks good. Okay, let's take a temp here. Looks like we're running about 138, 139. All right. These are done, but I'm going to throw them over the flame just for a minute. Look at that gunpowder seasoning. Looks like charcoal almost on there. Okay, gonna get our mac and cheese off in a minute. Check these out. Oh yeah. Oh, now don't these look good? And check out this mac and cheese. Okay, how about that? Gunpowder pork chops. These look amazing. I've already cut a little piece off to make it easy for my taste test. I did these at 300 degrees because I put my mac and cheese in an hour early, and then I put the pork chops on, and we did 15 minutes for one side, and I did about 10 minutes for the other side. They got to between 135 and 140. Then I threw them over the open fire just to kind of give the fat on the edges, just kind of char them up to make the fat good and delicious. Look how nice and juicy that is. All right, gunpowder pork chops. Man, I gotta tell you, Joey, that gunpowder seasoning, that is really, really tasty. It's got some really great flavors. So anyway, thank you, Joey, again. If you're interested in any of the Sureshot Sids gunpowder seasonings, I'll leave a link below. Go check them out. Order some. I know the gunpowder, the honey barbecue, coffee, and the chipotle is good, so I'm sure the other ones are good as well. And actually, I'm really interested in this lime pepper. That should be pretty good. We'll have to try that on some chicken or something. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I wish I brought my knife out here so I could cut more of this off to try it. And Mondays and Thursdays, come back. We'll see you then. Have a great day.